Need to leave the meeting but want someone else to take over? Let's transfer the host role in Zoom. Quick and easy. While you're in a Zoom meeting as the host, hover over the participant list at the bottom and click Participants. Now find the name of the person that you want to make the new host. Hover over the name and click More and then select Make Host. A confirmation box will pop up. Click Yes to confirm. Boom. That person is now the host and will have full meeting controls. Bonus tip: want to assign a host before the meeting starts? Schedule the meeting, click Advanced Options, and add the alternate host's email in the alternate host field. They'll automatically become the host if they join first. Smooth transitions equal smooth meetings. Like this video if that baton pass helped you out. Subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this video, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.